Well, the feedback's been very positive. Obviously, it's a blend of young school kids and current customers and potential customers that are visiting the truck. But the general feedback is very positive. It's a great way of showcasing our products and what we can do and how you can use those products live. So we got various sections in the truck which will enable people to actually understand what it's all about and how the products work.
So I'd like to thank you customers for actually giving us this good feedback. A lot of you guys have been asking if you could have full range from our suppliers, and we've been listening to that. Actually, with Phoenix, we're starting with that. So if you enter our webpage, you will see that we now have more than 22,000 products online from Phoenix.
So when you want to start on a condition monitoring journey, you don't really have to spend lots of money and have really complex systems. The system we've got here is a plug and play 8-parameter system that will easily link into PLCs and an Internet of Things approach. The system also allows you to manage your workload by indicating which areas you need to be targeting for work rather than doing periodic and time-based PMs.
Do you ever fancy buying all your Omron products at one supplier? Maybe the same supplier that you buy a lot of other stuff from. So I'm glad to tell you that you can do that with Iris. So Iris Scandinavia is the largest distributor of Omron products. So you will find more than 5,000 Omron products on the shelves for next day delivery within Iris assortments.